question. So the parameters in the base region, okay, base region of NPN bipolar BJT, okay, and they have given us DN value 20 centimeters square per second, and then NB, XB, AB, like this, everything, and they have asked about the collector current. So they have asked about the collector current means what it is about the IC, okay. So first of all, before find the IC, we have to just know the IS. So IS formula, modulus IS, you have to take that Q, okay, the charge, and then DN and A, B, E, and means multiplication, okay, and then afterwards N, B, afterwards 0, no problem, NB not, or NB is okay, then divided by XB, okay, and you know the collector current formula, IC should be equal to IS into exponential VBE divided by VT. That's simple, because in terms of EDC, electronic circuits, the formulas is the main criteria, and the formulas the significant role you have to find out, okay. So just simply apply everything. So given DN, everything is given here, so you can directly make it the IS. So modulus of IS equal to Q, the charge value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, and then afterwards DN, that should be given it's at 20 centimeters square, and then afterwards ABE, separate 2 into 10 to the power minus 4, and then afterwards NB naught they are given as 10 power 4, and divided by the whole divided by what's XB. XB simply it is given as 2 mu, etc. Mu means what? It is about 10 power minus 6, is it right? So if you just do mu means 10 power minus 6, so if you make all the calculations, then you will get 32 into 10 to the power minus 15, okay. So I made a calculation. So the simple multiplication division, okay, you can do by yourself, okay, no need of anybody. So it is very simple, okay. So when you do that, you will get the next answer. So the answer, you will get 10 power minus 15. So here you can just make a small thing, because listen over here, XB, it is given as meter, remaining and all in the form of a centimeter, is it right? So if you want to convert to meter means what? You just make a 2 zeros extra you add, so it will be converted to 4. So you'll get the answer of 30 to 10 power minus 15. So now we can apply in the IC. So IC equal to what is IS? IS is 32 into 10 to the power minus 15 into exponential of what is VBE. VBE, that is given as 0.75, is that right? So 0.75 and divided by what is VT. So VT is 0.0259, actually, you know, 0.0259. It is always the value, okay. So if you just make a calculation, you will get the answer in a very simpler way. So small calculation only. It is 0.12 ampere. So always listen me, the VT value is 0.0259 by having the Boltzmann constant, temperature, everything you have to find out, okay. So 0.12 amps. So you should write 0.12. You can write 0.11 or 0.10, that also right, 0.13 also right, okay. That's the answer. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.